across to our correspondent, Catherine Norris-Trent. She joins us from outside a school in Paris. Catherine, you've been there for a couple of hours. The school well and truly open now. Kids and parents there happy to be back?
Yeah, the parents we saw bringing their kids to class here in the 10th arrondissement in Paris were very happy that their children were starting lessons again after 3 months of schools closure, schools time when schools hadn't been open full time for all pupils. Lessons had started on a partial basis, perhaps a couple of days or hours, a week for children starting from the 11th of May. But this is the first day when 10 million French pupils aged between 3 and 16 are supposed to go back to class full time this week for the last 2 weeks of the summer term. So parents we spoke to very happy that they won't be juggling homeschooling and working from home anymore, and also concerned about the welfare of their children, saying they think these social links that they had with their fellow pupils, fellow classmates, very important, and the children too excited to get back and see their friends at school and to get back to lessons as well.
It's a big day for parents, big day for the children, as you say. What about the teachers? Big day for them, but not all of them are happy about this, are they?
Absolutely. I've spoken to several teachers over the past few days who have expressed concerns about the way this has been organised. There's quite a lot of frustration at this. Some of them, the first time they even heard that this was going to be a possibility was when Emmanuel Macron spoke out on national television 8 days ago. They didn't even consider it to be a possibility until then. So they're frustrated that having had to put these strict hygiene measures in place when French schools reopened after coronavirus, so strict social distancing, teachers wearing masks, having 4 square metres per pupil, well, all that has suddenly been overturned. So now for the youngest children, social distancing measures have been completely scrapped. Then starting from age 6, they're supposed to be kept now 1 metre apart, and teaching staff no longer have to wear the masks in lessons, but they do around the school building. So all this has meant quite a lot of upheaval for schools, a lot of reorganisation, a lot of new techniques and training to get up to date with quite suddenly. So they're saying they shouldn't have been more included in this decision, some of them labelling it a PR exercise, that the government wants to look good before the summer holidays and ahead of local elections, which are due to take place in France this weekend.
Catherine, thanks very much. Catherine Norris-Trent, a correspondent, speaking to us live there from outside that school there in the centre of Paris.